Welcome everyone! This video deals about pens and colors in Archicad. We find the editing menu here under Options, Element Attributes, Pens and Colors, or at the Attributes toolbar. A pen is nothing but the combination of one color and one line weight. Here we have a list of all available pen sets. Pen sets in particular will be explained in video number 16 of 20. So now I just show you how to edit pens. Here you see 255 different pens in every single set. To change a pen, click on it and type in a new line thickness and double click on the color to change it. You can work with RGB color codes or just choose your color freely using the crosshair on the color palette. Once you're satisfied, just click on OK. I personally need a range of black pens with different line weights for drafting, one pen which can be recognized by a laser cutter, some gray tones, red and yellow pens, and some other basic colors. That's all I ever use. So I will spend a couple of minutes here to create my very own pen set. If you have edited one pen or even more, you can select Store As, so you can save the pen set as a new one. If your new set is the one that is active, you will now have the chance to choose from your new arranged pens while you're drafting or even as outlines for 3D parts. So that's everything about pens and colors. Be excited for pen and color combinations in video 16, but until then, have a great time and most of all, stay creative.